way to see you, which wasn't easy, since you were pretty far away.
How is that even? It doesn't like
Разбитая душа, все твои обещания, пустота в камине в 6 утра.